Hey everyone! In today's quick but detailed comparison, we are putting Retool and Appsmith head to head in 2025. Both are low code platforms that help developers build internal tools faster, but which one should you choose this year? Let's break it down. What they are. First, what exactly are Retool and Appsmith? Retool is a powerful enterprise-grade platform focused on speed and flexibility. It's loved by teams that need to quickly ship internal tools with deep integration and complex workflows. Appsmith, on the other hand, is an open-source alternative that offers great customization, self-hosting, and is popular with startups and developers who prefer transparency and control, user experience, and ease of use. Retool has a polished drag-and-drop UI that feels very intuitive for developers. You can write queries, connect APIs, and build dashboards in minutes. Appsmith also offers drag-and-drop functionality, but it leans more developer-friendly than beginner-friendly. It's improving fast, but Retool still wins slightly on overall polish and user experience. Features. Feature-wise, both platforms let you build CRUD apps, connect databases and APIs, set user permissions, deploy apps quickly. But here are the differences. Retool offers stronger enterprise integrations, advanced components, and more robust version control out of the box. Appsmith shines with open source flexibility, Git sync, and self-hosting options, giving developers more control over their stack. In 2025, Appsmith's plugin ecosystem has grown, but Retool's pre-built components are still more comprehensive. Pricing. Retool can get pricey, especially for larger teams. In 2025, it's still better suited for enterprise budgets. There is a free plan, but advanced features are locked behind higher tiers. Appsmith remains completely free if you self-host. Their cloud version has affordable pricing too, making it a better choice for small teams or startups. Pros and cons. Retool Pros. Enterprise ready, fast to prototype, excellent user interface components. Retool Cons. Higher cost, limited flexibility in some hosted scenarios. Appsmith Pros. Open source and free to self-host, highly customizable, great for dev-centric teams. Appsmith Cons. Slightly steeper learning curve, less polished than Retool overall. Final verdict. So which one is right for you in 2025? If you want speed, enterprise power, and out-of-the-box polish, Retool is worth the investment. But if you want open source freedom, customization, and control, Appsmith is a fantastic alternative, especially for dev-savvy teams. And that's all for today's comparison. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.